Super Showdown 2020 match card and results. The Viking Raiders versus the OC. The winner of this match was the OC. The Tawak Trophy Gauntlet match. This match included R-Truth, The Undertaker, Andrade, Bobby Lashley, AJ Styles, and Eric Rowan. The winner of this match was The Undertaker. The New Day versus The Miz and John Morrison for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of the match and the new SmackDown Tag Team Champions, The Miz and John Morrison. Humberto Carrillo versus Angel Garza. The winner of this match was Angel Garza. Seth Rollins and Buddy Murphy versus the Street Profits for the Raw Tag Team Champions. The winners of this match, retaining the Raw Tag Team Champions, were Seth Rollins and Buddy Murphy. Mansoor versus Dolph Ziggler. The winner of this match was Mansoor. Brock Lesnar versus Ricochet. The winner of this match for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the WWE Champion, was Brock Lesnar. Roman Reigns versus King Corbin. The winner of this match was Roman Reigns. Bayley versus Naomi for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the SmackDown Women's Champion, was Bayley. The Fiend Bray Wyatt versus Goldberg for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match, and the new Universal Champion, Goldberg. That's it for Super Showdown 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.